Most people get this wrong when looking for long game app gift card options. They assume every reward is always available, and that all users see the exact same choices. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Reward options can change over time, and availability may vary depending on updates, location, and account status. In this video you'll learn how gift card rewards typically work in the long game app, how to check available options, and what you should know before redeeming your rewards in 2026. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is open the rewards or redemption section inside the app. This is where available gift cards and other reward options are usually displayed. Here's a quick win. Before spending any points or rewards, take a few moments to review all available choices. Many users rush to redeem the first option they see, and later realize there was a reward they would have preferred more. For example, Alex immediately redeems the first gift card that appears. Jake takes a minute to compare multiple options and chooses one that provides more value for his needs. But here's the problem. Many people search online for reward lists that may be outdated. Apps can update their reward catalogs, add new options, or remove existing ones over time. This is where most people fail. They rely on old information instead of checking the app directly. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The best gift card option isn't always the most popular one. The right choice depends on how you plan to use it. Some users prefer entertainment-related rewards, while others focus on shopping, digital purchases, or everyday spending. Here's another quick win. Compare the redemption requirements before making your decision. Understanding how many points or rewards are needed for each option can help you choose more effectively. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid redemption mistakes. Always confirm your account information before redeeming any reward. A small error in your account details or email address could create unnecessary delays or confusion during the redemption process. Another important tip is to check the rewards section regularly. New opportunities may appear over time, and some users discover better options simply because they stayed informed and reviewed the app consistently. But here's something many users overlook. Patience can be valuable. If you're close to qualifying for a reward you really want, it may make more sense to wait rather than redeeming immediately for something less useful. Let's recap. Open the rewards section, review all available gift card options, compare redemption requirements, verify your account information, and stay updated as reward catalogs change. These simple steps can help you make smarter redemption decisions in 2026. You're now better prepared to understand how long game gift card options work, and how to choose rewards that fit your goals. If this guide helped you, leave a comment sharing your favorite type of gift card reward, hit the like button, and subscribe for more app tutorials, reward platform reviews, and tech tips.